Good Wednesday morning to you. It's September the 24th, and market just opened. And looking at the big charts, it looks like we've got a run up planned. But for the little charts, well, it looks like we may not have a whole lot of up just yet. So I'm going to see what happens when we get up here to the top, and may take a short. All right, well, there's the short I was looking for. Little charts say that we're going to have a pullback, and the big charts are saying that we're still going to go up. So my plan is to take that pullback down to maybe the 38, get out around the 38 to 50, and then I'll take a short, or I'll take a long. Let's see what we get. All right, well, the first short didn't work. I came up, bumped out my stop, but the picture didn't change. So I went ahead, I re-entered. If you look down there on the 610 chart, there's that bulge forming above the trigger lines. And while the 987 and 1597 are still on the rail, that bulge on the 610 tells me we should at least get down to that 38. So I'm just going to hang out here and watch to see what we get. All right, well, it took a good 7 or 8 minutes for the market to finally decide what it wanted to do. But now we've got the 610 getting on that bottom rail. I've got news in about 18 minutes, so news shouldn't be an issue. Let's see if we can get down to the 76% retracement. Now that the 610 is getting on the rail like that, and even the 987 is starting to drop in, and the 1597 has changed its picture, I think the 76 deep is going to be a better shot for us. Let's see how we do. All right, well, the market was picking up some momentum as the 987 was getting on the rail, so I went ahead and pulled my target down even lower. But we seem to have hit a road bump at the 62% retracement. Now, something I remember from my old trading coach was when you go to the 62, whatever the pop, there'll be a drop. Or he used to like to think about it in longs, so whatever the drop, there'd be a nice pop. So, since we got to the 62, whatever this little pop-up's going to be, I think we'll get a real nice drop on down to the 76 or even the 89, possibly the 100. It's looking really good. Let's see. All right, well, that took a little bit longer. I had to hold through news, which was quite a wild ride. But now, looking at the 377 MACDs there, it looks like we've got a real good chance for a fib extension to occur. So there's my fib extension for the 62. My target's still down there, just a little bit past the 100%. Let's see what we get. All right, the extension is working quite nicely. 610 on the rail there, the 987 on the rail. I think we can get even a little bit more than 100%. I'll watch the market and see what it gives me. All right, well, I got a little distracted watching the order flow. What I noticed all of a sudden is that the MACDs on the 377 had put in a really big bulge just after we reached that 100% extension. And we're down there in the deep, so I went ahead and closed the trade for the day. 5.7 for the day. Had to get through news around 9. And started right there at the retracement. Had to wait through a little bit of it to get going. 5.7 for the day, 45 minutes worth of work. Sounds good to me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.